Ever wondered who you've blocked on Facebook or want to unblock someone? I'll show you how to easily manage your block list and take control of your privacy. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to manage block list on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy option. Then tap on the Settings option. Now scroll down again and tap on the Blocking option. Here you'll see all the accounts that you've blocked. To unblock someone, simply tap on Unblock next to their name. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on Block again to confirm. And now they'll be removed from your block list. If you want to block someone, you can tap on Add to Block List and type in the name or email of the person you want to block. Once you find the account, hit block to stop them from reaching out to you on Facebook. And that's it. Now you know how to manage your block list on Facebook with ease. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our new videos.